Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture series of Object Oriented Programming. In this lecture, we are going to see one of the basic principles of Object Oriented Programming such as inheritance. We will see class hierarchy as well. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to introduce principle of Object Oriented Programming, that is inheritance. Let us see what is inheritance. Inheritance is the capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from the another class. Let us take an example of class human. We inherit certain properties from the class human such as ability to speak, breathe, eat, drink. These properties are common to all the other classes which belongs to class human. Inheritance is a mechanism of reusing and extending existing classes without modifying them. Inheritance produces hierarchical relationship between the classes. Now, let me demonstrate the inheritance through an example. Please observe the classes displayed on the screen. There are four classes: class vehicle, class bus, class car, and class truck. Class vehicle has the properties such as fuel amount, capacity, apply brakes. If you observe the remaining three classes, that is class bus, class car and class truck, those three classes may have the same properties such as fuel amount, capacity and apply brakes. Now, these three classes can derive the properties, the characteristics from the class vehicle, that is reusability. These three classes will use these three properties as it is without modifying them. Now, let me explain you the extensibility. Let us consider a class car. Now, class car can have one more characteristic as number of wheels. The number of wheels for class car are 4. But the number of wheels for bus are different and for truck are different. Now, the number of wheels for car class is the separate characteristic of a car class. Now, what that car class will do? Car class will derive the properties from the class vehicle as fuel amount, capacity, apply brakes and add one more characteristic in the list, that is number of wheels. In the same way, class bus and class truck can do. Now here, what car class has done? Car class has extended the class vehicle by adding the property, one more property, that is number of wheels property, but that car class has not modified the existing property of a class vehicle, that is fuel amount, capacity and apply brakes. So that is the extending existing classes without modifying them. That means car class has extended the class vehicle without modifying its properties, its characteristics. Inheritance produces the hierarchical relationship between the classes. We will see that in this lecture. Now let us first understand what is subclass and superclass. A subclass is a class that inherits property from the other class, and that class is also called as a derived class, or it is also called as a child class. Now here in this example, class bus, class car, class truck are inheriting the properties of class vehicle. So these three classes are considered as subclasses, derived classes or child classes. Now let us see what is superclass. The superclass is the class whose properties are inherited by subclasses, and those superclasses are also called as base classes or parent classes. Now in this example, the class vehicle is the superclass for the class bus, car and truck. Inheritance implements is a relationship. As you can say, a class bus is a subclass of a class vehicle, or you can say a class vehicle is the superclass of a car class. So, thus inheritance implement is a relationship. Now let us see what is class hierarchy. Let me give you a simple example. You, your father and your grandfather. Your father has inherited some of the properties from your grandfather, and you may have inherited some of the properties from your father. Now, here is the hierarchy of your family, as from grandfather to father, from father to you, that is son. In the same way, there is a hierarchy among the subclasses and superclasses. There is a hierarchy, there may be some subclasses and there may be some superclasses. Subclasses may inherit the properties from the superclasses, and for a single subclass there may be number of superclasses. Let us see what is a direct base class. A direct base class is the class from which a derived class explicitly inherits. Now, here a character class is inheriting the properties from the object class explicitly. Now, object class is the direct base class for the character class. Now, let us see what is indirect base class. Indirect base class is inherited from the two or more levels up in the class hierarchy. Now, let me give you an example. Class character is indirect base class for the class oval. If you observe the hierarchy properly, oval class is the explicit subclass for the direct base class letter, and letter is a subclass of a character class. Character class is the class of the letter subclass, but ultimately the oval class is also a subclass of a character class. Now here the character class is the indirect base class for the oval class. So I hope you have understood the inheritance, subclass, superclass and class hierarchy. We will meet in the next lecture with the new concept. Thank you. Happy learning.